Hey guys, it's Cyber Warrior. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to root your Google Nexus 10 tablet and install a custom recovery. Okay, let's begin. First, we're going to head on over to AndroidCentral.com forums. We're going to scroll down to the Nexus 10 tablet forum, Nexus 10 rooting ROMs and hacks. From there, we're going to go to the sticky, how to root Google Nexus 10 and install ClockworkMod Recovery. On the page, you'll see some requirements: a Nexus 10 with an unlocked bootloader, ADB with fast boot installed, Android debugging enabled, and 2 files that we're going to need to download. The first step is going to be to download the CWM Touch Recovery and copy the file to your Platform Tools folder where Fastboot is. To make life easier, we're going to rename it to just Recovery. So click on that and download it. Let it download. Okay, let's go to our download folder, and there it is, Recovery. So now we need to put this into our Platform Tools folder. So we're going to click on it and drag it to your Platform Tools folder, which for me is on my Mac HD, and into the SDK folder, and into the Platform Tools folder, and drop it anywhere in there. Okay, now we're going to need to rename the file to just recovery.img. So click on that, and I'm just going to remove all the stuff at the end. Okay, so now it's just recovery.img. Alright, let's go back to our guide. And the next step is going to be to download the Super SU binary package and copy it to the root of your Nexus 10 storage. So let's go on to our Nexus 10 device, open the guide that we're working from, and let's click on CWM Flashable Super SU binary package and download it. It's going to open the download page by Chainfire, and we're going to go to download CWM-Super SU-V0.98.zip. And there it is, downloading. I already downloaded one earlier, so that's why you're seeing that. Okay, download complete. Alright, let's back out of that. And we're going to go to our file manager and move it to the root of the SD card. For me, I'm using Astro File Manager, so it's in My Files, Folders, and it's in my Download folder. And there it is, CWM Super SU. So I'm going to long press on that to bring up the Move tool. Select Move. And we need to put it on the root of the SD card. So I'm going to go to Storage, SD card. And this is the root of the SD card. So I'm going to paste it there. And there it is, CWM Super SU on the root of the SD card. Okay, so we can back out of that and power off your Nexus 10 and boot it back up into bootloader mode by holding the power button and both volume buttons. Hold all three together until you see this screen. Make sure your Nexus 10 is also connected to your computer with a USB cable. Okay, let's go back to the guide and move on to the next step, which is going to be to flash the recovery. In Windows, open a command prompt and switch the path where recovery.image is and enter the following command: To find the path, we're going to right click on the recovery image, go to Get Info, and you'll see that that's my path, /SDK/platform-tools. I'm going to highlight it, right click, copy that, go into Applications, the Utilities folder, and we're going to open up Terminal. Go to Terminal, open it up. I'm going to resize this so you can see better. And we're going to do CD and then paste what you just copied. That's the path to your platform tools. Hit Enter. Okay, we're now redirected to the platform tools folder. Let's go back to the next step, which is going to be to enter the following command. Since we're using a Mac, we're going to use this one right here. I'm going to highlight it, right click, copy, go back to your terminal, and we're going to paste it right over there. So edit, paste, and hit Enter. Okay, it's sending the recovery, writing recovery. Okay, it's all done. You just sent the recovery to your Nexus 10 tablet. Okay, let's head back to the guide. The next step is go back to your Nexus 10's bootloader screen, and once there, use the volume keys to navigate to Recovery and hit the power button to select it. Once you're in bootloader mode, you're going to use the volume keys to select the recovery option. Right now you'll see it says Start. And there it is, recovery mode, and hit power to select it. Your Nexus 10 tablet should boot into ClockworkMod Recovery. From there we're going to go to Choose Zip from SD card, and we're going to go down to the Super SU file that we put on the root of the SD card. So select the Super SU, use the power button to select it. Scroll down with the volume keys to select Yes, Install CWM Super SU.zip, and there it is. It's installing and it's done. So we're going to go back and reboot the tablet now. Right before the Nexus 10 reboots, you're going to be presented with a screen that says ROM may flash stock recovery on boot. Would you like to fix it? You're going to select Yes. This is going to stop that boot loop problem that everyone was having. So select Yes with the power button, and your tablet should now be rebooting. There's the X animation, no boot loop, and it's starting right up. So now the next step is going to be to go into your app drawer and see if you have the Super SU icon. So let's go into the app drawer, and there it is, Super SU. Click on it, and there you have it. You now have a rooted Nexus 10 tablet with a custom recovery. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you have any further questions, you can hit me up in the forums.